Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So the topic is describe a time that you showed something new to others. एक समय का वर्णन करें जब आपने दूसरों को कुछ नया दिखाया. You should say when it was, ये कब हुआ था, what it was, ये क्या था, who you showed it to, आपने किसे दिखाया, how you showed it, आपने इसे कैसे दिखाया, and explain how you felt about it, और इसके बारे में आपने कैसा महसूस किया. So I am sharing two sample answers that will help you prepare for this cue card. Sample answer 1 is a memorable time when I introduced something new to others was a year ago. I had recently learned how to use a productivity app called Notion, which helps organize tasks, manage projects, and even plan personal goals. At that time, my colleagues at work were struggling with managing their daily tasks, often losing track of important deadlines. I decided to share this app with my team during one of our weekly meetings. I prepared a brief presentation that highlighted the app's key features like creating customized task lists, integrating calendars, and setting reminders. I also designed a simple template for project management that could be easily adopted by anyone. During the demonstration, I connected my laptop to a projector and walked them through the basics, showing how they could set up their own workspaces. I included real life examples from our ongoing projects to make it more relatable. After the presentation, I offered to assist anyone who needed help in setting up their accounts or adapting the tool to their specific needs. I felt a great sense of satisfaction after the session. It was rewarding to see my colleagues appreciate the app's potential and express their eagerness to use it. Many of them started using Notion right away, and within a few weeks, our team's overall productivity significantly improved. Seeing the positive impact of my effort made me feel proud and motivated. It reinforced my belief that sharing knowledge not only helps others but also deepens one's own understanding. This experience taught me the value of being proactive and the joy of helping others learn something new. Another sample answer that you can prepare for this cue card is a time when I showed something new to others was a few months ago. I had recently learned how to make a basic photo collage using an online tool called Canva. It's a great for creating birthday cards, posters, and social media posts. My younger cousin was struggling with a school project where she needed to create a visual presentation, so I decided to help her out. I invited her over to my place and showed her how to use the tool on my laptop. First, I explained why I chose this tool. It's user friendly and offers free templates that make designing easy. Then I guided her through each step, like choosing a template, uploading pictures, arranging them, and adding some text. I even helped her pick the best images and suggested ways to make the collage look more attractive. She seemed really interested and asked a lot of questions, which I was happy to answer. After showing her the basics, I encouraged her to try it herself while I supervised, offering tips whenever she got stuck. At first, she was a bit nervous about making mistakes, but as she became more comfortable, her confidence grew. After about an hour, she managed to create a beautiful collage on her own, and she was thrilled to use it for her project. She even added some creative touches that I hadn't thought of. I felt really proud and satisfied to see her confidence grow. It was a great feeling to be able to teach her something useful and see how quickly she picked it up. It also made me realize how much I enjoy helping others learn new things. Overall, it was a fun and rewarding experience for both of us, and I was happy that I could make a difference in her school work. This is all about from my side. I hope these two sample answers help you prepare for this cue card. If you want any another story first, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.